Hello, welcome to AutoCAD Data and my name is Titesh Chaudhary. In the previous video, we learned about how to start creating a new drawing using templates, how to set units and limits, how to define the scale and how to use a mouse in AutoCAD. In this video, we will be learning about pan and zoom command and accessing the file from remote locations. The link for the notes of this video is provided in the description below. Before we start, please click the subscribe button below and press the bell icon to receive instant notification for new videos in this basic AutoCAD training series. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Firstly, let us have a look at the pan command. This command is used to move around the drawing area and explore the drawing without magnification or changing the direction. The easiest way to access the pan command is to press and hold the scroll wheel on the mouse. Upon pressing, the crosshair or the cursor will get converted into a hand with fingers closed. Then we can drag in the direction for the drawing to explore. When we reach the edge of the screen, we can release the mouse scroll button and again move the cursor to another location on the screen and repeat the process for exploring the drawing further. For example, as we can see a floor plan on the screen. Now, if you want to explore the other areas of the drawing, then we will just press and hold the scroll button, which will activate the pan command and can be understood as a cursor changes into a hand symbol with fingers closed. We can then move in the direction in which we want to explore the drawing. When we reach the edge of the drawing space, we will see a bar is displayed on the hand cursor on the edge. Depending on whether the edge is on the top, bottom or on the left or right side, the bar is either vertical, horizontal or on two sides of the hand. There are other ways to access the pan command which we will learn in the later videos. Next, let us have a look at a zoom command. This command can be accessed easily by scrolling the mouse wheel. To make it easier to understand, consider the crosshair or the cursor as a magnifying glass. When we scroll up, the cursor will act as a magnifying glass and we will be zoomed into the space where the cursor will be located. In the same way, if we scroll down, we will be zoomed out. For example, we can see a floor plan on our screen. Now, if we want to explore a certain area of a drawing in detail, we will just move the cursor over the area we want to zoom in and scroll up using a mouse. And we will scroll down for zoom out. The other ways to access the zoom command will be shared in the later videos. Next, let us have a look at how to access the file from remote locations. It happens many a time that when we are visiting our clients for discussion or visiting on job site or while traveling, we may need to access the drawing files, for which AutoCAD has provided Autodesk Drive. Autodesk Drive provides 25 GB storage for storing the files. We can store our files for viewing from multiple locations like from the desktop or laptops in our office or at home or remote location by using AutoCAD Web App on a web browser and from our smartphone or tablet using free AutoCAD mobile app. For this, we need to use two options available in the quick access toolbar. First is open from web and mobile, which opens the file stored in the Autodesk Drive, and second is save to web and mobile. It saves the current file to the Autodesk Drive. By selecting either of the two options, we get a dialog box where you need to type the name of the file before saving it to the cloud storage, or you can select the file which needs to be opened from the cloud storage. For saving the current file, we will click on Save to Web and Mobile and then rename the file if we want to and then click Save. As you can see, the file Floor Plan 1 can be seen in my Autodesk web app. Also, if I want to open the file, say Floor Plan 2, I will click on Open from Web and Mobile. Select the file Floor Plan 2 and click Open. We can also save our file on other cloud storage providers. For this, we need to open Save As dialog box by clicking on Application menu and selecting Save As. In the Save As dialog box, simply right-click on the Places bar and select Add. Enter the name and path in the dialog box for the navigation shortcut and click OK. AutoCAD can easily integrate with the four cloud storage providers: Google Drive, Box, Dropbox, and OneDrive. If we have an account on our desktop or laptop with the above cloud storage providers, then the navigation shortcuts are automatically displayed, like it is showing for my OneDrive storage. Let us have a quick recap on whatever we have learned today. Firstly, we learned about the pan command, how it is used to move around the drawing space by clicking and holding the mouse scroll. Upon activation, the crosshair gets converted into a hand with fingers closed as seen in the image. We also learned how when we reach the end of our space, horizontal or vertical bar will be displayed on the hand cursor. Next, we learned about zoom command which can be used for zooming in and out of the drawing space. The easiest way to use it is to use the mouse scroll. When we scroll up, we are zoomed in, and when we scroll down, we are zoomed out. At last, we learned about accessing the file from remote location. We can access our files from the desktop or laptop at our office or at home, or remotely on a web app using web browser, or on our smartphone or tablet using free AutoCAD mobile app. For this, we need to use two options available in Quick Access Toolbar as shown in the image. You can rename the file while saving the file to the AutoCAD. Autodesk provides 25 GB storage for storing files. You can also use other cloud storage providers like Google Drive, Box, Dropbox, and OneDrive for storing our files. This can be used by simply right-clicking on the Places bar in Save As window and click Add. Fill the name and path in the displayed dialog box and click OK. Please share the video with your friends, and as always, thanks for watching. You can also check out my other videos in this basic AutoCAD training series.